welcome back to the Car Collective. Today, we're looking at a full-size SUV that's making big waves in 2026, the brand new Nissan Armada. Nissan has completely overhauled their flagship SUV, and the result is a bold, modern, and tech-packed machine that's built to haul, tow, and carry with style. First impressions? This new Armada is a huge step forward from the outgoing model. The design is sharper, more aggressive, and clearly inspired by Nissan's latest global SUV styling. The massive grille is framed by slimmer LED headlights, and the body now has more defined shoulders and a sleeker roofline. It still has the commanding road presence you expect from a full-size SUV, but it's got a more premium, almost infinity-like vibe this time around. Under the hood, Nissan is moving toward a balance of power and efficiency. The 2026 Armada is available with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, replacing the old naturally aspirated V8. It produces over 420 horsepower and is paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic. There's also a new hybrid-assisted version, giving better fuel economy without sacrificing towing capacity, which still sits at an impressive 8,500 pounds. Four-wheel drive with terrain management modes is available, making sure this SUV can handle snow, mud, and off-road trails just as confidently as the school run. Inside, Nissan has transformed the Armada into a truly luxurious space. The centerpiece is a massive 14-inch infotainment display running the latest Nissan Connect system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. There's also a fully digital 12-inch driver display, giving you customizable layouts for navigation, safety alerts, and performance data. Materials have been upgraded across the board. Soft leather, real wood or aluminum trims, and quilted stitching make it feel upscale. You also get available second-row captain's chairs, a panoramic sunroof, and an upgraded Bose audio system for that. Long trip comfort. Safety tech is as advanced as you'd expect from Nissan in 2026. Pro Pilot Assist 2.0 offers hands-on assisted driving on highways, while standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new 360-degree camera with trailer assist functions. The 2026 Armada isn't just about getting bigger and fancier, it's about staying relevant in a world where SUVs have to do it all. Whether it's hauling a boat, carrying the whole family, or making an impression in the city, Nissan's latest full-size SUV is clearly aiming to check every box. So, what do you think? Is the new Armada the right blend of luxury, capability, and modern tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to the Car Collective for more deep dives into the latest and greatest cars hitting the road.